What constitutes a mindful behavior? In order to differentiate between a mindful activity and not a mindful activity, keep in mind this important principle that in mindfulness, if you're doing anything mindfully, that means the subject and the object are one. Now, what do we mean by that? Here, obviously, the subject is you and the object is the activity that you are doing. Let me give you some examples. Let's say you are walking. If you are walking, knowing that you are walking and being completely one with that activity, what I mean by that is knowing that you are putting one foot in front of the another. Maybe your hands are swinging. You have an urge to keep your hands in your pocket. Or let's say some tingling sensation happens in your calf muscles when you have taken a lot of rounds or have walked a lot. In other words, being completely aware that you're doing that activity. Maybe while you are eating, what does mindfully eating really mean? It means that during the whole duration of your eating activity, while you are eating, you know each and every flavor that pops up in your mouth. You know that you are putting your hand in your plate and then taking to your mouth. You know that you are chewing. Any activity and all activities can be done mindfully. Even taking a dump in the morning. Knowing that you have an urge to take a dump, knowing that there's something moving in your intestine and how it feels after you have taken a dump, is all doing it mindfully. Now, what happens if the subject and object are not one? In other words, what it means to do an activity mindlessly is doing it very automatically. For example, if you are eating, you are chewing, but your mind is not there. Your mind is completely engaged in the phone in your hand, or maybe thinking about something which is going to happen or what has happened. That is mindlessly eating. Mindlessly walking is a very automatic behavior. You just automatically get up and go towards something without really being one with that activity, if you know what I'm trying to say here. So, try doing every activity mindfully by being one with it. And if you are not with that activity right here, right now, completely, aren't you sleepwalking through life?